In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code block in Jira and keep your formatting clean and readable. If you've ever tried to paste Python code, a JSON payload, or even a JQL query into a normal Jira text field, you've probably seen the formatting break instantly. Indentation can disappear, symbols can look strange, and the whole thing becomes much harder for your team to read. The good news is that Jira makes this very easy once you know where to click. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site. If needed, sign in through your organization's Atlassian login page. Once you're inside Jira, head to the project, board, or backlog where the issue you want to edit is located. Then open the specific ticket where you want to place your code. Inside the issue, click into the description field if you want the code to live in the main body of the ticket, or click into the comments field if you're just adding a code sample as part of a discussion. As soon as you click into one of those areas, Jira's rich text editor should appear, along with the formatting toolbar above the text box. Now we're ready to insert the code block itself. Move to the toolbar and click the plus icon, which opens the Insert or More Content menu. In that dropdown, find and select Code Block. Jira will place a dedicated code container directly into the editor. You'll notice that it looks different from normal text, and that's exactly what you want. This special box preserves spacing and structure so your code stays readable. If you prefer to work faster from the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. Click onto an empty line in the editor, type 3 backticks, and then press space or enter. Jira will automatically convert that into the same code block format. This is especially useful if you're constantly switching between writing and pasting technical content. Once the code block is visible, paste or type your code directly into it. After that, look to the lower left area of the block for the language selector. It usually defaults to text. Click it and choose the correct language, such as Python, JavaScript, HTML, or JSON. This enables syntax highlighting, which makes the code easier to scan and understand. Before you leave the page, take a moment to review the formatting. Make sure indentation, spacing, and line structure all look correct. Then click Save to publish the changes. Your code will now appear neatly formatted and much easier for teammates to review. That's it. You now know how to share code in Jira without losing structure, readability, or syntax highlighting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.